Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect the Roborock Qrevo S Pro with the Roborock app, available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the S Pro, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can check out links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, and our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check out all those links in the description. So now for the vacuum itself, let's go ahead, let's get it set up. We have the Roborock app opened on our phone. Top right hand corner, there's a little plus icon. We're going to select that so we can add a new device. It's prompting us to scan a QR code, which is located front and center underneath the cover right there. So we're going to scan that. Now it tells us to open up the robot's cover to see the Wi-Fi indicator light. And I see the light right there. Press and hold the power and dock buttons. So here we go. Let's go ahead and press and hold both those buttons. Resetting Wi-Fi. We heard the prompt. Now our Wi-Fi light is blue and blinking down here. Hit next. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Enter your password and then select next. Now it's working on connecting to the device. So we got to go ahead and connect to the device's Wi-Fi. We just hit that bottom button. It brings it up right here. Hit join. And now everything's going to connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Connected. Now it's binding.
Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi's connected. We'll wait for the app to update. There we go. Now we can enter the device. It's loading. There it is at the top. Now we have to agree to the legal info. And now we have our little welcome screen. Walks you through some settings here. You can always change these at a later date too if you're uncertain. Or you think about something after the fact or just want to change it. There we go. Everything has been set up, and now it's time for us to use the vacuum, which consists of installing the station where you want it around the house, prepping your house, your floor, opening all the doors of the rooms, and then you create a map. Once you have your map created, then you can start cleaning.